Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to undo changes in monday.com. So let's say I have selected this item and deleted it. In order to bring it back, I will have to go right here to these three dots and see where I could find the board archive. So click on settings and then go to archived history. Here you should see all of your archived things, and if you click on trash, here you see all of your trashed things. In order to restore them, just select it and click on restore. Now you can select all of them like so and restore them all or delete them permanently. Now you have undo these changes simply like this. You can see the activity log right here. So you could see what changes do people do. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.